Alright everybody, welcome to today's eBay box break of 2011-2012 Panini Dominion Hockey. And it is our fourth box of our case. We got our current eBay time right now is Friday, June 14th, 2013, 1909 Pacific time. And that's San Jose, California. And we got Friday, June 14th, 2013, 2209 Eastern Time, which is Toronto, Canada. And we'll show you our last eBay auction that just ended. And that was the Winnipeg Jets. That ended at 16:55 Eastern Time. Winning bid was $9.43 US dollar. And Winnipeg Jets. Alright, so we'll get cracking here in a sec. Just set up my side here. And I'll move that over. And here's our box. Let me put that a little bit higher. Dominion, sealed. We'll get our serial number there. As you can see, the Panini is covering the first two digits, but I think it is 189817902. We'll confirm that after I open the plastic. But that's our box. Box number 4. Our last box, we got a crazy hit. 101 Lemieux. And that was an NHL Shield, and that was an amazing card. So hopefully we can get something. This case keeps giving us, so we'll see what we get on this one. Here we go, boys. Good luck and enjoy. And serial number is 189817902. So it was the two first numbers covered, 189817902. There we go. Perfect. Hopefully we get some nice hits here, boys. And there's our pack. Empty. Closed case. And here we are. Good luck to everybody. Empty. Empty. Just taking the base cards up. And here we go. There's our decoy. Another decoy. And our first card is a base numbered out of 199, and it goes to the Minnesota Wild, Danny Heatley. Danny Heatley for the Minnesota Wild, numbered out of 199. It's 165 out of 199. Our second is a base, good player back in the day, and it's numbered out of 199, 112 out of 199, and it goes to the Montreal Canadiens, Guy Lafleur. 112 out of 199, Guy Lafleur. Nice base. And we got another base. And it's numbered 2 out of 199. And it goes to the Detroit Red Wings, Henrik Zetterberg. Henrik Zetterberg. And we got a gold private signings for the Carolina Hurricanes. Goaltender Cam Ward. Cam Ward. Nice little hit for Carolina. Not numbered. And we got a patch auto numbered out of 199. And it goes to the Colorado Avalanche. And it's numbered 112 out of 199, and it's Cameron Gaunch. Cameron Gaunch. 2-color patch there. A little bit of the blue or black with the white. Nice little hit. And what is this here? We got a patch auto, 3-color patch. Very nice patch. And it's numbered out of 60, 38 out of 60, and it goes to the Nashville Predators, Pekka Rinne. Pekka Rinne, 38 out of 60. Nice patch. And we got, looks like just a patch card, numbered out of 100, 89 out of 100. And it goes to the Washington Capitals, Braden Holtby. Braden Holtby. And we got a nice card. Very nice card, but we're going to save that last. Oh, and there's another one too. And we got here, patch auto, 21 out of 60. 1, 2, 3, looks like 4 colors, barely 4 colors, but very nice patch. And it's 21 out of 60, and it goes to the Tampa Bay Lightning, Martin St. Louis. Martin St. Louis. 21 out of 60. Looks like 4 colors. There's a little bit of a top right corner there, black or something, but 3 colors so far, maybe a 4th. Very nice hit. And this one, wow, first time I've seen this. Well, I've seen it before, but it's Engravatures, June 15, 2011, Stanley Cup champions. And yeah, you know who that goes to. It goes to the Boston Bruins, 3 out of 15. Very nice. It looks like a plate. Very heavy card. June 15, 2011. Engravatures. Stanley Cup champions. Boston Bruins. Can they do it again this year? Very nice hit for Boston. Very nice hit. I'm telling you, this case is hitting, man. We got 2 more boxes out of that case, and they're just, every pack is getting something good. And that's it for our break, guys. So we got another listing up of SP Authentic 2012-2013. So check that out. It's under my account, Face Off Collectibles, fan of the Leafs. Don't miss out. And we'll probably be putting our next Dominion box sometime tomorrow, probably in the same time frame. But anyways, we'll see you again. Thanks a lot. Hope everybody enjoyed it.